All right, this is the Saturday, March 5th edition of the video. Going to show you what we're looking at for the weekend and kind of take a look ahead to parts of the upcoming week. Let's begin with a look at the Dowd YMCA camera, the camera on top of the Dowd YMCA looking toward uptown Charlotte. We have some clouds overhead, and we will kind of have this mix of clouds and sun overhead as we make our way through the day, but it's going to be a pretty nice day. 51, our Charlotte temperature, as I cut the video this morning. Highs yesterday were cooler, much cooler than what we had back on Thursday. We had record high temperatures in some spots, including Charlotte on Thursday afternoon. But yesterday, 20 degrees or more cooler for highs in most spots. There's your Charlotte area high temperatures yesterday, low to mid 60s. And so that's a much cooler scenario than the 85-degree high temperature we had there on Thursday. It was 78 for a high temperature there on Wednesday. Certainly very warm all work week long, but cooler yesterday. Now we're starting to see temperatures rebound again today. These are current temperatures, again, mid-morning as I cut the video. 53 in Fayetteville, 54 in Columbia, 40 in Boone, 55 in Cape Hatteras this afternoon, up to 80 down in Columbia, 70 in Charlotte, 60s in most mountain spots, and some low 70s over toward the Sandhills and toward Wilmington as well. All right, so there's Storm Tracker. We do have some cloud cover at times streaming overhead. And again, that's going to be the deal today, a mix of clouds and sun. Some snow flying in parts of the upper Midwest, some ice in parts of Wisconsin, and then more snow flying back toward the Rockies and all the way to parts of the West Coast, the Sierra Nevadas as well. That's all part of our next storm system, and we are seeing some weather changes begin to take shape across the region. There's an area of low pressure there in the plains. That'll lift up toward the Great Lakes, and really a series of low pressures are going to be riding along this front as it moves into the eastern part of the country in coming days. Now, that warm front currently here in the Carolinas moving through, that's what had shifted south of us yesterday, gave us the cooler day. Now the warmer temperatures returning. Just look at highs today. Very, very warm in a lot of the eastern part of the country. And I think tomorrow, many of us here around the Piedmont get close to 80 and then maybe lower 80s on Monday afternoon. The first home match for Charlotte FC, that'll be this evening. LA Galaxy in town. It'll be pretty nice. I think temperatures gradually cool through the 60s this evening. So if you are one of the many people that have plans to attend the match this evening, the weather will be very cooperative overall. Now, again, a partly sunny sky today. That's Futurecast. There'll be a very limited brief shower chance possible this evening or tonight, but it's really barely worth mentioning. Not a big deal. Clouds do increase overnight, and we probably start off our Sunday relatively cloudy, but then those clouds erode away. We'll have the warmer temperatures, highs in the low 80s, and some Piedmont spots, upper 70s and lower 80s. And then watch Monday will be just ahead of this next cold front. So there'll be a band of rain and storms Monday afternoon back into Kentucky and Tennessee. That'll then move into the mountains by late Monday afternoon or Monday evening, and then weaken as a band of showers as it makes its way through the Piedmont Monday evening and into Monday night. And that'll kind of set us up for several waves of rain chances. At this point, Wednesday looks like an especially soggy weather day. And as you look at next week as a whole, it's going to be a much different type of weather week than what we just had this week. So it was progressively warmer and dry this past week. Moving forward into next week, it's going to be cooler with waves of showers from time to time. All right, remember, you can check out the Spectrum News app for you there all the time. A lot of great content on the app, including the ability to stream any of our live stations from across the country. And, of course, I will have your weather on Spectrum News 1 on television for the Charlotte and the Western North Carolina television markets throughout the day today. Everybody have a wonderful Saturday. Enjoy the day. Stay safe, and God bless.